Hello YouTubers, I'm at Uptown Station in Fort Walton Beach, and look at that flag. See right here? See Old Glory up there? It has flown a lot of winds like that. See the rip right here? You can't see it in the video, but I'm gonna get a closer look at the pole there. See Old Glory? This flag is old. And yeah. This thing right here, see this thing? They need to fix the flag. First of all, never let your flag fly in really bad weather, because that is not good. See the motor inside? I'm gonna zoom in. Somebody left the thing open and didn't close it back up. See the pulley for the rope? I'm not gonna mess in there. Just see, somebody left it open. Not cool. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm hoping this flag will be fixed soon, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This flag's huge too. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day, everybody. God bless America. Peace.